Welcome to another demo of the RAD Endpoint Generator. So logged in at the wizard navigation, we upload our CSV file, and I'm going to pick a CSV file, and this time let's do products. There's a lot of products in this one. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I've done one this big in this specific demo, but we're going to try it. So in this demo, I think what I want to do is show the React Tailwind CSS. And we go to create app, and this is the script to create the Tailwind React CSS and finish. So what this will do is create a backend for ASP.NET Core and a React front end. And it'll take a couple minutes to finish. It'll either be true or false. False is an error. It'll show the error message here. And then when it gets done, we should have a project file here to download. It also will send you an email with the link to the project file. Now, the web interface, or the web endpoint, is an ASP.NET application that you run, and then the React will you run with the Node Package Manager from the console. And this is in development mode on your system. It doesn't leave and connect to the internet. It's all local to your system. And you can create production products out of it and deploy it to a production system if you want. So hopefully it'll be done here shortly. Okay, it was successful. It took, let's see, a little bit over a minute to complete. And then we have a link to download our project. Or download the project, and it's pretty quick because it's kind of small. I believe it's virus checking. There is a lot of files in it, so it might take a few seconds here. There it goes. So we open it up, and we will unzip it. And we'll open it up in our Visual Studio. And here it is. This is the web API project. So we'll start that as we need it for the React project to connect to. So we'll start that. And then we will go to the location. Well, try to go to the location of where the React folder is. And it's, let's see, where is it? It's right here. So this is the React project. Open that up, and there's all the files for the React project. So we want to open a new terminal to allow us to run the React app. So here we can say np and run, and that's all we need to do. Well, no, I forgot. We got to install the packages because we did not ship the packages. The Node packages have to be installed, so we need to install those. So now we're installing the Node packages. You can see the Nodes folder here, and then we can run it. So now we have a React site running on this website here. Open that up, and here is our React site. So this is just some generic stuff I placed in here to show some of the UI. Really has nothing to do with the entity at this point. And you could log in here, get started, same navigation, and then there's virtually only one user for this application, and I chose to use the admin user with the admin password. So we log in. And we got a login successful. And now we have a menu item here. So the view grid items is just generic stuff that I added as something to look at. and then we have the entity. So view products. So here are all the products in the CSV file. So this is details from the secure API endpoint. So we can add a product, we can edit a product, and we can delete a product. And you see there's products per page, so we can see all of them. And there's a bunch of them. Or we can, look at them 5 at a time. Just go to different pages, previous, whatever. So let's just go to the end and let's just add a project. So let's just say Alex Stone, and I believe that's all we need to do here. So now look at the end, Alex Stone. So we added a project. Now let's just edit this one, and we can say we'll just say that is the description, and the quantity is 1, and the price is 1, and there's no photo, and we can say this is a test, and say changes. So as you notice, this goes to the number 1 page, so we need to go back to the last page to see it. So here it is, Alex Stone, and it has the description, the price, the quantity, and this is a test. And so that is add and edit. And if we want to delete one, let's delete this AI language tutor, delete, and then it says, are you sure you want to delete product AI language tutor? And I want to, yes, so delete. And now it's gone. So it doesn't exist no more. So that's pretty much the demo on the React UI with Tailwind CSS. And we have a hamburger menu, and I mean, this might not be the desired effect, but I have a sample on GitHub that shows it differently with a CRM version actually. So, and then you can log out, and then it goes back to the main page. And that's it for this demo for the React with Tailwind UI. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope to have some more demos in the near future. And thank you very much. Bye.